Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the Driple Studios channel. Today we're going to be continuing on with the Scratch RPG series, and we are going to be implementing the feature when we kill a monster or an enemy we get coins, and then next episode we will do the shop, so you can buy things from the shop and with those coins that you get. So jumping straight in, first thing we want to do is go to the NPC or the monster that we have created. It can be anything, and we want to make a new variable. I'm going to do this. I'm going to call this variable coins. That's probably the most sensible name. And then we're going to events. When green flag clicked, variables, set coins to 0. And then we want to find this piece of code here, and we want to go change coins by, and then the amount of coins you want when you kill an enemy. So I'm going to go to operators and I'm going to go pick random. What this does is pick a random number between a certain number and another certain number. So instead of a set amount, we want a random amount. So let's do 10, 15. So because it's in a forever, what we want to do is go to broadcast message, new message, I'm just going to call it mkill, and then when we receive mkill, change coins by random amount, and I believe that should fix it. Right, let's go. So what we want to do is go to the Sandland, go to Miner-Mac, kill this little mug, and it still doesn't.
Basically, everyone, if you're confused what's going on here, there's a little problem where once you kill the enemy, your points, your coins, if you will, still keep going up and up and up forever. So that is what Joe is currently trying to fix.
So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go stop this script, and I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to, instead of when green flag clicked, I'm going to grab a when backdrop switches to -1, and then we can get rid of that, and then it should now work. Yep, there we go. Alright, boom. It's probably an easier way of doing that. However, it is done now, and we can, maybe in a future episode, come back to it. Main C health, and we're gonna, when green flag clicked, control forever, if then operators, grab the equal to, go to looks, go to variable, open env1, open env, if open env equals 1, then actually let's grab an if then else, put that in there. If then go to back layer and duplicate that and send it to the front layer. Simples. Or you could just hide it. Go to inventory. We want to show variable coins, and then we're going to do this. We're going to grab an if then else, because that way we don't require anything other than this. So now we can just do the complete opposite of what this code does here. So we want to hide the variable coins. Boom, as you can see here, nothing works. Boom. Now we have to hold down Q to go into our inventory. Not what we want. So let's not do that. Let's convert it to how it was before. And then this one up here. So if you find this one, this one here. I don't know why we have 2 here. In theory, we can just get an else. Why have I done that way? I don't know. But hey, that's the way we did it for some reason. So I'm going to get rid of that and I'm going to put that there. So when openInv is equal to 1, we want to show the variable, and when it's not, we want to hide the variable. So now our code should look like this. And I believe now that should work. If we test it, as you can see, coins show up. Close it. Lovely. Oh, that is a bit of an annoying little thing there, but I'm not sure there is anything we can do about that. Oh, of course there is. Of course there is. So now I'm going to quickly fix this. So we want another else block here, and we want to, if that is equal to that, we want an and, sorry, and then an equal. If openInv is equal to 0, and it's not, we don't need that, do we? We don't need that, we just need an if else, sorry about that. There we go. And so now I believe once we've done this, so now go here. When you're in your inventory, you can't do it, but when you're not, you can. I believe that's the same for everything. Yep, I believe so. Lovely, lovely jubbly. So I think that's going to be it for this episode. If you guys did enjoy, please do leave a like and subscribe. Next episode, like I said at the start, we will be trying. I will be trying to code in a shop system so you can actually buy the items that you want. So that should not be too hard. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Please do leave a like and subscribe if this did help. And I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.